Hi, this is Reviews for Life. Today I'm going to review Husk Japan knives. Let's start. They are saying we are providing 50% discount on these knives. Last day to grab this big promo. Let's check what they are providing. Blacksmith heritage at your fingertips. Husk chef knives. Beautiful and unique Husk knives are essential for every chef. We designed the most exceptional chef's kitchen knife the world has ever seen. People around the world demanded a special knife with more controls and balance, and we delivered. Husk chef's knife features a precision laser carved index finger hole for superior control. The blade is composed of high quality stainless steel, ensuring a sharp quality knife for the years to come. Premium oak wood handle is probably the most comfortable and secure handle ever created. It seems pretty good. Let's move on. Features of these knives: perfect grip. The handle consists of high quality oak wood. This is type of hardwood with a characteristic dark texture, creating a perfect grip. And this is the grip. It's a very good, precisely crafted to the last detail. Each and every detail has been checked and taken into account, providing you the best quality knives. Pleasurable in every way. All Husk knives are extremely sharp. They are perfectly balanced, which makes it comfortable to hold the knives. Cooking has never been more fun. World's greatest premium chef controlled knife. They are providing 50% discount if you want. One tradition meets modern design, techniques passed on through generations. So they are saying the knife making techniques are passed from their generations. We use high quality stainless steel to craft flawless, durable and beautiful knives inspired by centuries old Japanese knife making traditions. Each Husk knife is carefully crafted using a 138 step design and goes through rigorous testing before every shipment. In love with the art of knife making, Husk knives were created of passion for the art of cooking. We wanted to revolutionize the market by being the first to ever create a specialized kitchen knife with a unique blade. Traditional knife making techniques combined with modern approach resulted in this fabulous Husk chef knives. Yeah, this is pretty good. Sharpness versus comfort, why not have it all? Some knives are sharp but comes with a cost of being fragile and prone to chipping and oxidation. We believe real kitchen chef should never have such problems. Husk knife is extremely sturdy and sharp. Quality stainless steel and oak handle guarantee great performance. Let's check what the hairs say. What Let's check what the pros says about it. I like the very classic Japanese look with full tank and visible rivers. The blade curves up at the end, which makes certain tasks a little easier, practically quick mincing herbs. They are showing cutting the fish here and it's looking pretty easy. Let's move forward. This is the most widely recognized style of chef's knife in the West. Yeah, that's right. The belly of the blade has a pronounced curve that tapers to a sharp tip. And wow, that's great. Let's move on. What the customer says. The knives are high quality and really good for chopping. The knife is very sharp and the price is acceptable. Yeah, that's good, right? The delivery time was all good also. Definitely recommend them. Good. Seems the positive reviews from the users. It seems pretty good to me. If you want to purchase it, check the description below, share to the chefs, and thank you for watching.